if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me?
I'm a serial charmer, you'd say. Who knew I'd be dizzy with the dame when the bad boys are on parade? I offend my honor with my faith, until I finally kiss the pleasant side of life's wicked give and take. You're my miracle, my sweet contrary, bone dry starry cool, and my wild cherry. This is my favorite dream. Won't wake the man that I'd be. Selfish with all the wrong things, but never you. I've been keeping my head down for our sake. But what good is the check if it's holding me back to play? Always got a real good thing on its way. No crocodile teeth telling me you can hardly wait. You're my miracle, my sweet contrary, bone dry starry cool, and my wild cherry. This is my favorite dream. Won't wake the man that I'd be. Selfish with all the wrong things, but never you. This is my favorite dream. Your golden brown canopy, most things I get than I leave, but never you.
Hush, boy, you shiver if you think too much. Wrestling with the bones beneath your skin. Show love to love into the stable ground. She who keeps you standing round. Take your pick now. Wind cry echoes to an open door. Feed a cold prey, just settle in, wait out the rain and play that. Won't you come on and play that simple song? And it hurts to see you when you're living the life of the come and go. Oh, you're living the life of the come and go. Sound off, let the light of the moon tattoo these words. You can't reach for heaven from a couch in Santa Fe. Oh no, I don't need your shelter from the storm. I'll find my own way home. living the life of the come and go. Oh, I'm living the life I hope you know.
Giving in, you showed me how to start again. You never quit, sweet like rain, washing over everything. You said, hold my hand, don't let go, run away with me. We can build a love that never fades away. Through the beauty and the pain, we'll carry the flame. Even in the darkest nights, we'll find our way home. Hold my hand, don't let go, run away with me. We can build a love that never fades away. Through the beauty and the pain, we'll carry the flame. Even in the darkest nights, we'll find our way home. We'll find our way home. We'll find our way home.
Steady through the highs and lows, closer than your skin and bones. I'll be here for you, I'll be here for you. Shining in your darkest night, holding your heart in mine. I'll
I'll be here for you. I'll be here for you. I'll carry you through heartache and trouble, and nothing drag you down. I want you to know I won't let you go. Give me your heart and soul. We'll never let this love grow cold. When you're running out of breath, I'll be the one to give you rest. I'll be here for you. I'll be here for you. I'll carry you through heartache and trouble, and nothing drag you down. I want you to know I won't let you go. Give me your heart and soul. We'll never let this love grow cold. I want you to know I won't let you go. Give me your heart and soul. We'll never let this love grow cold. We'll never let this love grow cold. But there's no mountain we can't climb. We're crossing